Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 53 Sanderling Road here in Beltinge in Herne Bay. Now, this is a beautifully presented and recently modernised 4-bedroom detached family home tucked away right within the corner of Sanderling Road opposite the green. This property really does offer it all. The entirety of the ground level has been transformed into a beautiful modern space to give you an open plan kitchen dining space to the rear, and to the front you've got a large main reception room. So coming straight through into the main entrance hallway, we're going to take a right hand turn and go through into the lounge. Now again, as I said earlier, beautifully presented, really nice modern aesthetic here, very clean and easy to work with, beautiful flooring running throughout the ground level of the property, fantastic bay window there at the front just overlooking the green and the driveway. Coming back into the hallway, we've got an arrangement of storage units on the left hand side with the access into the cloakroom underneath the stairs, again finished in a beautiful modern way. You've got of course the loo and the sink unit in there, the flooring continues through as well, and then when you come to the rear of the property you find an absolutely stunning space. Here you have a completely transformed and opened up kitchen dining space, plenty of worktop spaces here, plenty of storage. You've got a full range of fitted appliances in here, and I really would recommend that you take a look at our details to see what's included with this kitchen. But you've got those gorgeous worktops there, fantastic bifolding doors leading you out into the back garden, 2 banks of them at either end of the room there. Really is a beautiful feature of the kitchen diner. And then into the back garden you can see here a wonderful private aspect and very sunny with that as well. Lots of light coming through into the back garden space here, sort of a semi-walled back garden here, which does give you that really nice sense of privacy. And looking back at number 53 Sanderling Road, you can see you've got a huge bank of solar panels up there on the roof. So I really would ask that you give us a call, ask us a couple of questions about those, or of course come and meet us on a physical viewing of the property and ask away as well. So we're going to head back indoors from the dining room end of the kitchen dining space here. Again, it's beautifully presented, gorgeous flooring, and again that fantastic feature wall at one end of the kitchen diner as well. So we're going to head upstairs next and take a look at the 4 bedrooms. We've got a fantastic arrangement of spaces up there. We've got 2 ensuite bedrooms, and of course from the front of the property it's worth noting that you did also have the access into the garage. So lots more to take a look at with this one. So here we are upstairs, and we're going to start by taking a look at bedroom number 4. Now this is a surprisingly good size for a bedroom number 4, located at the front of the property with the view across to the green and the driveway there, tucked away around the corner here, number 53 Sanderling Road in Beltinge. Now we're going to head through into bedroom number 2, the guest bedroom. Wonderful double-sized space with of course the fitted wardrobes already on the left hand side as you enter the room, and then just on from there you got the main ensuite. To the front you've got the continuation of that bay window down from the ground floor, and again you've got that wonderful outlook out on to the green to the front. Really nice tucked away position up here, easily located for access to some of the local primary schools, and then of course along to the seafront you've got an arrangement of shops up here in Beltinge as well, so there's a lot going for it up here in this wonderful location. On the right hand side of us there we've just passed the airing cupboard, and now we're heading through into bedroom number 3. Now this is again another good sized double room. This time we've got the view across into the back garden. You've got plenty of room in there, not only for the double bed but for plenty of storage, and then through into the main family bathroom here. Again, really nice modern finish with of course the loo, sink unit, bath and shower. And then coming through into the main bedroom here, a wonderful double-sized room with a very, very big ensuite indeed. So just to recap, this is number 53 Sanderling Road, a 4-bedroom detached family home here in Beltinge in Herne Bay. You're tucked away right round the corner of Sanderling Road, just opposite the green. You've got a huge amount of off-road parking to the front with that garage as well. You've got 4 bedrooms with this property, with that open plan reception space down on the ground floor in the kitchen diner. You've got these solar panels here as well, and there's lots more to find out. So I really do hope that you enjoyed taking a look at 53 Sanderling Road with us today. Sure, you have plenty of questions for us, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.